Hello everyone, let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. It's really easy to create, but let's start. At first we need this free rectangle, one, and create another copy of that. Then select all of them and align the middle. And then just connect them without holding, by holding Control. Now just a little reducing the size. Now change your color. I'm going to go with something beautiful like here, like this blue, and no shape outline. Then format them, and in the shadows I want them to have some inner ones. Okay, now we have it. I need to copy the text, paste it here, copy the text, paste it here. Then create another copy of them and align them center and middle. Why these two are not in the middle? Okay, it's good. Now I delete the text and write its text in that. How to format the text? I'm going to color this by using that. And in the home, you need to change the font to Overdrive Sunset. And you can make it bold or not. I'm not going to go with bold. And I'm going to use the color that's going to be visible like this. Then copy this slide. And in the copy, press Ctrl A and align everything center. Now here, you need to do something that looks amazing. So how you can do that? You need to delete this text and reduce the size of it to something like this. Now set the transition to morph. You see it's not the thing that you want, and you see it's not looking great. So how you need to fix that? You need here, before deleting the text, just reduce its size and just set the text transparency to no fill. And it done the work for you. Set the transition to morph. You see it also give us a great effect. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a nice time.